All right, guys, here's how we're going to pull a log and send it to your tuner on a Motec M150 and a Subaru. So first thing, you need to have downloaded the M1 tune off the Motec's website. Got to get connected. These are an Ethernet cable, so you got to get connected. Okay. Power on, engine not running. Okay, and you're going to go to icon here, and you should see, if you're connected correctly and the car is on, you should see discovered ECUs. You're going to select that. You're going to hit OK. All right. Okay, you're going to see connected. You're going to go to online. You're going to go hit retrieve data log. I just pulled this log. So these logs can get really big. So I always, when I pull them, I'll select everything here to clear them. So when you first do this, these boxes won't be checked. So you need to check all these boxes. I'll clear the log. This can be important if we're trying to maybe diagnose a problem with a crappy cell service over a hotspot, because if the log is full, it takes a long time to download, and there's no way you can send it over an email. It has to go to Google Drive or an upload service. So if we download and erase the log, and then we download just the data we need, then the log's much shorter, and then hopefully can make it over an email. So got that, and we're going to hit next. Okay, make a name for the problem or just whatever you want. Hit next. Okay, log's downloaded. So at this point, if you're going to get the logging software and look at it yourself, and you already have that downloaded, then you can convert it. But right in this situation, we're not going to convert it. We're going to hit no. And we're going to hit finish. Okay, so then at this point, it saves the log to a little bit of a strange spot. So we're going to go here. We'll go to our folder. We all should be good here. Okay, we're going to go to documents. Documents. Since I'm using a Mac on Parallels, not perfect here, but you're going to get your documents. You're going to get the Motec. Okay, we're going to go to M1. Okay, we're going to go to Tune. Okay, and we're going to go to Log Images. Should be able to see that log image. Today's date, 7/04, that's the image. You're going to take that image, attach that to the email, upload it to Google Drive, however you're going to send it, and get that log sent over.